Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to cancel a StockX order or basically a bidding in the StockX. So first of all, what you need to do is to actually log in into your account. So open StockX and basically cancel your order. So go to stockx.com, log into your account. Right after that, click on your file and then go to the buy-in section. Once you went to the buy-in section, you will find the current and basically you will find the shoe that you have bid on it, for example, or your bots, and simply you will find it and you can literally click on this delete button. So this is how you can do for the deleting of the order. Now what about like if the bid was accepted? In case, for example, you had clicked here and it showed you like an error that the bid was accepted, you are the winner and you cannot refund it. Then what you will need is to actually contact StockX. So you can contact them through this support email or this number and put it into like a good, like, so use ChatGPT to write down like a good email that will simply ask them or request from them that they refund you and you don't want to actually that product anymore. The second thing is to contact your bank. You might be able to put in a stop payment request with your bank if you paid with a credit card. You might be able to request a chargeback request. Credit card companies require merchants to accept returns. However, doing so many results and your StockX account gets banned or suspended. So take that in consideration. And the third thing is to literally just buy it. And once you bought it and you have it as your own product, you can resell it. So try to resell it again, even a higher price, or simply do a bidding on it as before. So do a new bidding on the product, and people will actually try to buy it, and maybe you can make a profit from it. And yeah, this is how you can literally cancel a bid in the actual platform. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. See you guys in the next upcoming videos.